right, Edith is counting the number of seeds in her fruit. Her pomegranate has 1 less than 3 times as many seeds as her apple. Her orange has 13 less than 5 times as many seeds as her apple. And if her pomegranate has more seeds than her orange, how many possible seeds are there in Edith's apple? The better question is, why on earth is Edith counting the seeds in all her fruit? That's so weird. Anyways, we are trying to figure out the seeds in Edith's apple. So we're going to say let S equal the seeds in the apple. Now let's think about what they told us here. They told us that the pomegranate has 1 less than 3 times as many seeds in her apple. So 3 times the apple and then 1 less than that is represented by this expression. Then they told us the orange has 13 less than 5 times the apple. So 5 times the apple and then less 13 looks like this. Then what she's telling us is that if the pomegranate has more, so the pomegranate seeds are greater than the orange, how many could be in the apple? Okay, so we have set up an inequality. It says has more, so it's not an equals to, it's more. So we're going to go ahead and solve this. First thing I'd want to do is I'd want to get it so the variables are only on one side. So maybe I'll subtract, I didn't mean to write a 2, subtract 5 A's from this side and subtract 5 A's here. And that's going to get me a negative coefficient, which is fine, but don't forget that adds an extra step when you do that. Then I'm going to get rid of this minus 1 by doing a plus 1 to both sides. That will get me negative 2A is greater than negative 12. Now, here's the trick. Guys, if I divide by a negative, what has to happen to the sign? That's right, this sign needs to flip around. So we'll get A is less than 6. And if I went to graph this, it would look like this. So the number of seeds is an open circle and it has to be less than 6 total.